Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application, and once you open it up, you can tap on the plus icon or the open button to open up any image that you would like to edit. After you open up your desired image, you will now have access to the QR code menu. Tap on the Edit Stack button at the top section, and now you will see the QR Look option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the Scan QR Look button. Go ahead and tap on this button once again, and this will now ask you to provide access onto your camera. Go ahead and provide the access, and now you can use your camera to scan any QR code. You can scan any QR code made from Snapseed or somewhere else as well in order to get into the details of this image. If you make any edit within your photos, you can also go into the same View Edits menu, and from the QR Look section, you can also create your own Snapseed QR code as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to scan a QR code on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.